In 1987, a physical therapist working with injured Olympic athletes discovered something that changed everything we thought we knew about knee recovery. She wasn't working with seniors. She wasn't working with people in chronic pain. She was working with elite runners, people whose knees had been pushed past their limits. And what she found was this: the exercises that rebuilt their knees fastest were not complicated. They were not painful. They required no equipment, no gym, no special training. They required only 3 specific movements, performed in a specific sequence, that reactivated the exact muscles responsible for protecting the knee joint. She called it the knee restoration protocol. And for nearly 4 decades, versions of this method have been quietly used by physical therapists around the world, rarely making it into mainstream advice for older adults. Until today. If you are over 60 and your knees have been slowing you down, making stairs feel like mountains, making mornings feel like battles, what you are about to learn was designed for exactly where you are right now. Stay with me. This changes today. First, I need to say something important. You are not broken. You are not too far gone. And the pain you have been living with is not a life sentence. Here is the myth that has been quietly robbing seniors of their mobility for decades. That knee pain after 60 is simply cartilage wearing away. That once it is gone, it is gone. That rest is the answer. That pain means stop. That is not what the research shows. A landmark study published in the Journal of Rheumatology found that targeted muscle strengthening reduced knee pain in adults over 60 by up to 40%, without medication, without surgery, without injections. Think of your knee joint like a suspension bridge. The cables on either side, your quadriceps, your hamstrings, are what keep that bridge stable and level. When those cables weaken, the bridge sags, creaks. It hurts. Rest does not tighten loose cables. Targeted movement does. The knee restoration protocol works because it goes directly to those cables. It rebuilds them systematically, gently, in the exact sequence your body responds to best. You are not worn out. You are under-supported, and that we can fix. Here is exactly what the knee restoration protocol is going to do for you today. By the end of this video, you will have a complete, ready-to-use daily routine, 3 specific movements, performed in a specific sequence, that systematically rebuilds the support system around your knee joint. Movement 1 reactivates the muscle most responsible for absorbing impact before it reaches your joint. Most seniors have never been shown how to engage it correctly. Movement 2 targets the hidden weakness that almost every person with chronic knee pain shares, and almost no one addresses. And movement 3, this is the one that physical therapists call the master stabilizer. The movement that ties the entire protocol together. Stay with me through all 3, because the sequence matters as much as the movements themselves. Find your chair. Get comfortable. The knee restoration protocol starts right now. Movement 1, the seated knee extension, the impact absorber. Sit tall on the edge of your chair. Feet flat. Hands resting on your thighs. Slowly straighten your right leg until it is parallel to the floor. Hold for 5 seconds. Lower it slowly. 10 repetitions each side. That firing sensation above your kneecap, that is your quadriceps reactivating. In the knee restoration protocol, this is called the impact absorber. Every step you take, this muscle decides how much shock reaches your joint. The stronger it becomes, the quieter your knees get. Movement 2, the standing heel curl, the hidden balancer. Stand behind your chair. Hold lightly for balance. Slowly curl your right heel toward your thigh. Hold 3 seconds. Lower with control. 10 repetitions each side. This is the movement most knee pain sufferers have never been prescribed. Your hamstrings are your knee's rear support system. Without them, the joint carries everything alone. Movement 3, the sit to stand, the master stabilizer. Arms crossed over your chest. Slowly stand. Slowly sit. 8 repetitions. This single movement activates every muscle in the knee restoration protocol simultaneously. This is your protocol. Use it daily. While you rest for a moment between sets, I have one small favor to ask. If the knee restoration protocol is already making sense to you, click like. It helps this reach another senior who needs it just as much as you did today. Subscribe, because next week we go deeper. Now your bonus. And this one is worth staying for. Before we close, here is your knee restoration bonus. The adaptation of this protocol designed specifically for adults over 60. It is called the morning joint warm-up. Before you attempt any of the 3 movements, before you even stand up from bed, do this. While still seated on the edge of your mattress, slowly bend and straighten both knees 10 times. No resistance, no effort, just movement. This circulates the synovial fluid inside your joint. Think of it as lubricating oil for your knee's internal machinery before you ask it to carry your full body weight. 30 seconds. Every morning. Non-negotiable. You now own the knee restoration protocol, the impact absorber, the hidden balancer, the master stabilizer, and your morning joint warm-up. For tools, 16 minutes. Every day. Don't try to perfect all 4 tomorrow. Start with the morning warm-up tonight. Just that. The fact that you stayed until the end tells me everything about you. You are someone who refuses to accept that this is just how it is now. In 2 weeks, those mornings will feel lighter. Those stairs will feel shorter. Save this video. Begin tomorrow morning. The knee restoration protocol is yours now. Use it.